Hello everyone, here we're another day with figure. This time we have a Maddie. Awesome. Let's open up to see. Got the drum. Sound very good. Let's check the bass. I love it. That's the melody. Oh, you didn't any tweak. You can do it some tweak if you want. And go on. The mix. Oh, she mixed already. Awesome. Good job. Thank you, Maddie.
We have other.
Cool drum. Cool bass. And the bass and the melody. Good job. Show me the next one. Open. The drum. Let's check the bass. Ah. Good job. So you can do some twink if you want, okay? Good job. Thank you, Maddie. Hello, another song we have now. Dania, say hi, Dania. See? Let's open up and check. Nice drum, clear. I can. And the bass is clear too. The melody is walking around, very nice. You can do some tweaks if you want, okay? Awesome. Thank you, Daniel. Okay, now we have Maddie and Matilda and Maddie. Here we go. Wow. I like the bass. And the drum too. Put the melody. Maybe you can bring the melody a little bit more. See? Does sound good? Love it. Oh, they did some tweaks. That's why it sounds so cool. D minor, good. Tempo 1-9. Good job.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, say your name, boys.
Rowan and Gardner.
I'm Cole Sudan.
There you go. And another project. Let's check the drum first. Let me mute the drums and let's see. Good. Wow. That's the drum. That's amazing. And the bass. And the lead melody. Oh, they did some tweak. 145. Wow, that's fast. And mix it. Good job, boys. Okay, here again. An awesome project. Wow, they are rocking here. Okay, can you explain what you did?
First we did the drums, and then, so we did it to a certain part, and then we stopped the drums to make it like bass, and then wait for a second.
Then talk so we can understand.
Okay, so we started doing the drums for a little bit until one point, then we stopped it, and then started the bass.
The bass,
The bass from the beginning and then stop, and then continued doing it for the whole thing.
Okay, so let's start muting. Now let's play the drum. Oh, so you only put the drum thing like that. Right, good. Now put the bass with the drum. Now put the melody. I love that.
Yeah, and for the lead we did a little bit in this part, and then for this one we did it the whole time.
That's awesome.
It was really on Matilda's idea. I just went along and added helpful advice.
Wow, see? Awesome, yeah. Good job, ladies. Okay, here again. An awesome project. Wow, they are rocking here. Okay, can you explain what you did?
First we did the drums, and then, so we did it to a certain part, and then we stopped the drums to make it like bass and lead for a second.
Then talk so we can understand.
Okay, so we started doing the drums for a little bit until one point, then we stopped it, and then started the bass.
The bass,
The bass from the beginning and then stop, and then continued doing it for the whole thing.
Okay, so let's start muting. Now let's play the drum. Oh, so you only put the drum thing like that. Right, good. Now put the bass with the drum. Now put the melody. I love that.
Yeah, and for the lead we did a little bit in this part, and then for this one we did it the whole time.
That's awesome.
It was really on Matilda's idea. I just went along and added helpful advice.
Wow, see? Awesome, yeah. Good job, ladies. Here with Luke and Matthew. They're gonna explain so you can talk what you did in your project.
So first, we need like a couple. So let me mute this first, and then we started off with the drums.
Yeah, put the drums so where everyone can hear the drum. Good drum.
And then after that, we did
The bass.
the bass.
You can put the bass there. I love it. Awesome. Put the melody back.
Alright, and then
Did you do tweak? No, you didn't. But it's fine. That's optional. Good job, boy. Say bye.
bye.
Good job. Hello, everyone. Here back with the student working with figure. Let's see how we're doing. Everyone, say hi to the camera. So can you tell a little bit how are you feeling with this project?
I feel good. This is fun.
Yeah.
This is
Nice. See, everyone can see you working and working together. Good job.
And then you just make a drum, a bass, and a lead. And then you have a
That's
cool
awesome.
song. Why am I here?
Good job, boy. Okay, say bye. Let's see those boys that are here. Let's see how are they doing. Hello, boy. Can you explain a little bit what are you doing?
So we are here on my bass. Our bass. Yeah. Drum.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Or if I'm. No. Uh oh. Ruh-roh.
There you are. That's the bass. I like it. Nice melody. Good job. Awesome. Say bye. Okay, let's check. What are they doing over here? They are working all over the place. Say hi, boy, to the cameras and explain what are you doing.
So, in this we're doing a 4-bar in figure. We just set it up differently on the drums, many different, and on the lead, it's crossing it up. It's actually something I found out. It actually sounds pretty good in the song. And then the bass,
Awesome.
you can't really hear it. I mean, it's a bass, though. It's supposed to be in the background, so.
Awesome.
Yep.
Good job, boy. Keep her up. Nice. Let's see what the girls are doing over here.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera
Hi, we're doing figure.
and explain what are you doing. Come on.
Okay, we will show you our song.
Yes, everyone want to see what are you doing. So,
Well, we think it's
Oh, wait.
can you open
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
and then put her here in the song to see? Yes.
No,
in
pattern,
the
pattern.
pattern
Good
so
pattern.
everyone can see. There you go. Put the drum. That's the drum.
Go to bass. Go to bass.
Oh, good bass. And the melody?
This one?
Nice.
Yep, so
Good
that-
job, girl.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay, here's the process. Let's see how are they doing. Right now they are practicing for the bass.
Do you like that, Matilda? Okay. Let's see if I can record.
Oh yeah. Wait, hold on, no, bro.
She's waiting. Now she's gonna start. See, that's the process how it's done. Making the melody. Experimenting with the sound. Yeah.
How would I?
Let's check on the boys here. Okay, show what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm at the lead right now. I'm doing the same song as before.
I love that. It's so fun.
Derek, what are you doing? See? Show to the camera. Awesome. Okay, see you until the next time.